Hello you guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm here to tell you about the importance of skincare and how it can totally transform your skin. We all think sometimes skincare is an unnecessary practice. Your skin is the largest organ in your body, and just like everything else in life, if you want it to look and feel good, you have to invest the time and be consistent in your efforts to see a true difference. It can benefit so much your mind, your body. When you take care of yourself, it really elevates how you feel about yourself. It gives you a sense of control, it makes you feel productive, and of course your skin is going to thank you so much in the long run. A structured day with a healthy skincare routine is going to be so beneficial for you. The world can be a stressful place, girl, we all know that, but it's so easy to just curl up in bed in front of the TV and go to bed without as much as a splash of water on your face, because who wants to do that at the end of the day? I understand you, but if you just take out 5 minutes for yourself, just 5 minutes out of your day to pamper your skin, you are going to wake up with the most refreshed, amazing, beautiful skin that is also going to age gracefully. It also sends a message to your brain that you're worth it and that you're a person that takes care of themselves, and there is nothing truly more inspiring than self-care. Now, you all must have heard of vitamin C. Vitamin C is truly an amazing ingredient to transform your skin. It is known for its antioxidant properties that really help in fading out dark spots, and it brightens your skin overall. Vitamin C has been a part of my skincare routine for quite a few years now. It is also an incredibly important part of my anti-aging skincare journey. This is the reason why it's so important to include this in your daily skincare routine. Consistency with an amazing vitamin C skincare routine is truly going to have a compounding effect on how your skin looks and feels overall. This is the one ingredient that has been working for my skin for so long. I really trust the power of vitamin C, and it's also a skincare product that I don't have to give up in any season. It works for all seasons and all skin types. So I like to incorporate my vitamin C in different ways. The Garnier vitamin C range is equipped with a cleanser, a sheet mask, a moisturizer with SPF, a vitamin C serum, and a pampering sheet mask. This range contains pure yuzu lemon essence, which is one of the highest quantities of vitamin C in a product. I have honestly been a fan of the Garnier Micellar Water for the longest time. I've always had this in my makeup arsenal, my makeup removal arsenal, but now it comes infused with vitamin C, which is so good. It hydrates the skin, plus like a magnet, totally cleanses off all of the dirt, oil, and makeup without any harsh rubbing or tugging of the skin. The crazy one-swipe cleansing technology of this micellar water leaves the skin instantly looking brighter. It doesn't make you oily, and it's also not sticky. It's perfect for all skin types, even sensitive skin. Cleansing forms a base of a healthy skincare routine. Cleansing is the first step to creating a well-balanced skincare routine. So I always like to double cleanse whenever I wear makeup. My first step was, of course, the micellar water, which got rid of any of the surface impurities in makeup and dirt and oil. Now for my final cleanse, and to make sure that my skin is super clean, I like to use the Garnier vitamin C face wash. This is a gentle cleansing foam which is going to leave your skin super clean without stripping it, clears dullness, and helps to reveal your true, bright, healthy skin. Moving on to the serum, this is honestly one of the star products of this range for me because I've gone through so many bottles of this. This is an empty one that is currently going to go into my skincare empties. I'm just obsessed with it, cannot get enough of this. It's so affordable and does the job perfectly. This contains so much vitamin C that you're going to notice a difference in your skin within 3 days of continued usage. It applies beautifully, leaving the skin looking fresh and plump, and absorbs super quick into the skin. Now comes my fresh glow secret. This is something that I like to do every single time I have an event or a function, or I just want to have a self-care pamper day at home. This is something I always pick up. This is a vegan and biodegradable tissue mask that infuses the skin with the quantity of almost one whole bottle of serum in this mask. It is enriched with lemon extracts and vitamin C and hyaluronic acid as well. Fits the face perfectly, and I like to leave this on for 15 minutes to achieve an instant glow. The last step in this super easy, fun, effective skincare routine is this vitamin C serum cream. This also contains SPF, which is so good to just complete your skincare routine. This is the finishing touch in your skincare routine. This is going to lock all of the moisture and protect your skin from sun damage, which is incredibly important. Vitamin C also works great with sunscreen, acting as an extra layer of protection from sun damage. So this cream is incredibly moisturizing, leaves my skin looking fresh, plump, hydrated, feels incredibly soft and nourished, and leaves a beautiful glow on my skin. It also works as a great primer for makeup in the beginning of your day. The Garnier Vitamin C range is the ultimate, affordable, easily available solution for you guys to just transform your skin into its brightest, healthiest version. This range contains some of the highest quantity of vitamin C, making it super effective and truly just incredible, especially at this price point. This range is suitable for all skin types, all skin tones, all skin textures. It's also suitable no matter what age you are because this range is naturally made and it's free from any sulfates or parabens. So no matter what your age, you can definitely benefit from a little vitamin C in your skincare routine. That's it. Thank you so much for watching, you guys. Please leave your comments down below telling me how you feel about this range. Have you tried these products out? Are you excited to include them in your skincare routine? All the links to purchase are going to be mentioned in the description box below. Thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe for more. I'm going to see you super soon in my next one. Mwah. Bye!